Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to permanently fix a common problem on a 2014 to 16 Toyota Corolla. Now, I believe this shouldn't been like a recall, or there should have been a recall for this issue, but there isn't, unfortunately. Basically what happens is that whenever it rains, water gets into the wires that goes into the speakers and it corrodes them, and then they end up stop working. The best solution I found is, so basically, first of all, please don't laugh at my solder. But anyway, what you want to do is, this is aftermarket speaker, by the way, JBL. You solder the wires. Of course, you cut all the corrosion out until you reach where there's no corrosion. You solder them into your speaker, and then what you want to do is insulate them really good. What I use to do that, I use this, I believe it's called liquid tape, liquid electrical tape. I'll link this in the description. So basically, you want to paint the whole thing with this, make sure it's really insulated. I did that to the passenger side, and so far so good. I did wiring repair before, and I didn't use this method, and it only lasted me the fix only lasted like 3-4 months. But this one on the passenger side, it lasted almost a year now, and this one finally got corroded and stopped working. So here am I doing it again. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like after the installation, and we'll go from there. Okay, so basically, after coating all the wires from up top and the bottom as well, make sure everything is covered and insulated with this product right here. Pretty good. Starbright liquid electrical tape. Don't know the shelf life on this after you open it, but it does go bad. And it takes 24 hours to cure. Just make sure this one, you're using it, if you already have it, make sure it's like really liquid, because I know when it goes bad it becomes like a gel, and that doesn't give the best insulation. So basically that is the fix, and after that you just basically put everything back together. Recommended to have helping hands for soldering, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you fix this issue. Do that to both sides and you should be good. This works for me. If you have another solution, please share it in the comment below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you have any question, leave a comment and I'll do my best to reply. Thanks for watching.